Mira, bobo. ¿Qué mira, bobo? Anda para allá, bobo. Anda para allá. Tranquilo.
Lionel Messi, a simple biography of a football legend. Lionel Messi, often called the greatest footballer of all time, was born on June 24, 1987, in Rosario, Argentina. From a young age, Messi showed an extraordinary talent for football. His journey from a small boy in Rosario to a global icon is a story of passion, hard work, and determination. Early life and struggles. Messi grew up in a working-class family. His father, Jorge, was a factory worker, and his mother, Celia, was a cleaner. Messi started playing football at the age of 4, joining a local club called Grandoli, where his father coached him. By the time he was 8, he was playing for Newell's Old Boys, a famous Argentine club. However, Messi faced a big challenge early in life. At the age of 11, he was diagnosed with a growth hormone deficiency, which meant his body wasn't growing properly. His family couldn't afford the expensive treatment, but his talent caught the attention of FC Barcelona. At 13, Messi moved to Spain to join Barcelona's youth academy, La Masia. The club agreed to pay for his medical treatment, and this marked the beginning of his incredible journey. Rise to stardom. Messi quickly rose through the ranks at Barcelona. He made his first team debut at just 16 years old in 2004, becoming the youngest player to ever play for Barcelona at the time. By 2005, he was a regular in the team, dazzling fans with his speed, skill, and ability to score goals. In 2009, Messi helped Barcelona achieve an unprecedented treble, winning the Spanish La Liga, the Copa del Rey, and the UEFA Champions League in the same season. This was the start of Messi's dominance in world football. Success and achievements. Messi's career is filled with countless achievements. Here are some of the highlights. Ballon d'Or wins. Messi has won the Ballon d'Or, awarded to the best player in the world, a record 8 times as of 2023. This is more than any other player in history. FC Barcelona legacy. Messi spent 17 seasons with Barcelona, becoming their all-time top scorer with 672 goals. He won 10 La Liga titles, 7 Copa del Rey trophies, and 4 UEFA Champions League titles with the club. Records galore. Messi holds the record for the most goals in a calendar year, 91 goals in 2012. He also has the most assists in football history, showing he's not just a scorer, but a team player. Argentina's pride. After years of heartbreak with the Argentine national team, Messi led Argentina to victory in the 2021 Copa America and the 2022 FIFA World Cup. These wins cemented his legacy as one of the greatest ever. PSG and Inter Miami. In 2021, Messi joined Paris Saint-Germain, PSG, after leaving Barcelona due to financial issues. In 2023, he moved to Inter Miami in the USA, bringing his magic to Major League Soccer, MLS. Playing style and impact. Messi is known for his incredible dribbling, vision, and ability to score from almost anywhere on the pitch. He's not the tallest or strongest player, but his low center of gravity, quick feet, and football intelligence make him unstoppable. Fans love him for his humility and quiet personality, letting his skills do the talking. Personal life. Off the field, Messi is a family man. He married his childhood sweetheart Antonella Rocuzzo in 2017. They have 3 sons, Thiago, Matteo, and Ciro. Messi is also known for his charity work. He founded the Leo Messi Foundation, which helps children access education and healthcare. Legacy. Lionel Messi's story is one of overcoming challenges and achieving greatness. From a small boy in Argentina to a global superstar, Messi has inspired millions with his talent and dedication. He is not just a footballer. He's a symbol of hope, hard work, and the power of dreams. Key facts about Messi. Full name, Lionel Andres Messi, nickname, La Pulga, the Flea. Height, 5'5" and 70 centimeters. Teams, Newell's Old Boys, Youth, FC Barcelona, PSG, Inter Miami, Argentina. Major awards, 8 Ballon d'Ors, 2 FIFA World Cup Golden Balls, 2022 World Cup winner. Lionel Messi's journey is far from over. Even as he enters the later stages of his career, he continues to amaze fans worldwide. His name will forever be etched in the history of football as one of the greatest to ever play the game.